So we're going to start by doing the distributive property and multiplying negative 3 over 2 times the x, and we're also going to multiply negative 3 over 2 times 2. So I'm going to rewrite this down here. We have negative 3 over 2 times x, which equals negative 3 over 2x. I'll fix that equal sign. And we also have negative 3 over 2 times 2, but I'm going to make it a fraction by putting it over 1, and we end up with negative 6 over 2, which equals negative 3. So now I have two things here that I need to add to my problem above. I have negative 3 over 2 times x, and I have negative 3 that I'm going to add above. So I'm going to move this down so I can give myself some space up here, and I'm going to rewrite this as negative 7x plus 4 plus 2x, that's from above, and then include in my negative 3 over 2x that I just found and my negative 3 from down below. So now let me resize this so that I can move my work off to the side. Select that there. We want to move that work off to the side. So we're done with that work, and we're going to bring this back to the regular size and work with our next step. And the next step on this is to combine things that are alike. So we have a negative 7x that can combine with a positive 2x and a negative 3 over 2x. So I'm going to put all of those together. So when I rewrite these below, I have negative 7x plus 2x minus 3 over 2x. Now, since I have a fraction here, I need to make all of my work fractions and find a common denominator, which is going to be 2. So I'll multiply the top and bottom of both of these by 2, which will give me negative 14 over 2x plus 4 over 2x minus 3 over 2x. Now I'm going to scroll down to give myself a little bit more room here. And when I combine this here, I end up with negative 14 over 2x plus 4 over 2x gives me negative 10 over 2x minus 3 over 2x. And then if I scroll a little bit more to give myself a little bit more room, I can combine these two together to get negative 13 over 2x. And that is something that I am going to be adding to my work above. So let me scroll back up, and I'm going to move my work down. So I'm now going to move this off to the side. I'll actually even make my template a bit smaller and move this off to the side, and I have to write in my negative 13 over 2x. So I have negative 13 over 2x. Now I also have something else here I need to combine. I have the 4 and the negative 3. So when I put those two together, 4 minus 3 is positive 1. So your final answer here is negative 13 over 2x plus 1.